Okay, you guys, welcome back. Today I went to Walmart again. I found another new case. This is a Team Dino Bigfoot Shark vs. Dino for 2025. There's the lava tires. Pretty cool. And the back, it's mostly re-releases. Name: Bigfoot truck type pickup. Strength: car crushing shocks. Crash tech original stomp. Bigfoot: a new great bite, another version. This is the rust one. That's the one I have. The Dino one. Two School. I saw that one. Podium Crasher, I have it. Bone Shaker, I have it. Scalosaurus, have it. Bionic Bruiser's back, the pink one. Let's go and open this, guys. Okay. Ooh, let's put the light on it to see the paint. So here, okay, here it is, guys. A Bigfoot. I love the lava tires. The red paint on it. There's the blue metal flake, which is really nice. Yellow rims and bead locks. The tires with the claws on them. The chrome front. It says Bigfoot up here with the motor. Pretty cool. And then more paint detail on the side. Hot Wheels. Summit on the back. Monster trucks. Pretty cool, guys. On the back, of course. Bigfoot with the taillight printing. Yellow chassis. Like a reddish lava color roll cage. So that's what I got, guys. Got one more. Peace out.